Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your top panel settings. So as you can see, now we are in the JBL PartyBox application, and the first step to manage our top panel is to scrolling down to product controls and tapping on top panel settings. Here, as you can see, we have our top panel, which we have on our speaker, and we can click, as you can see, on light show. This is the button which we have on the speaker, and you can choose to show or hide light shows on device. Only the shown ones can be toggled through your button on your speaker. So as you can see, we can disable or enable the light effects. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.